Want to be your own boss? Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Print on demand might be your ticket to freedom. It's a business model exploding in popularity, and for good reason. With print on demand, you can sell custom products without holding inventory. No more packing boxes in your basement. This means less risk and more flexibility for you. Imagine running a business from anywhere in the world. Print on demand makes that dream a reality. You handle the creative side and the rest takes care of itself. Ready to ditch the rat race and chase your entrepreneurial dreams? Let's dive into the exciting world of print on demand. Print on demand, or POD, is simple. You create designs and a third-party company prints them on products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more. They handle everything: production, shipping, even customer service. You focus on what matters: designs and marketing. Here's how it works. First, you create. Design amazing artwork for different products. Then, a customer orders. Someone loves your design and buys a product. Next, the order goes to production. The pod company prints and ships the product directly to the customer. Finally, you profit. You earn a commission on each sale without lifting a finger for production or shipping. Low startup costs, minimal risk, and huge potential. That's the power of print on demand. Ready to build your own print on demand empire? Follow these steps. First, choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What does your target audience love? Next, find your platform. Popular options include Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon Merch. Then, create your designs. Use your own skills or hire a designer. After that, list your products. Set competitive prices and write compelling descriptions. Next, market your brand. Use social media, ads, and influencer marketing. Finally, provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly and resolve issues effectively. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating new designs, promoting your products, and engaging with your audience to build a successful print-on-demand business. The key to print-on-demand success? Finding your niche. This means focusing on a specific audience and catering to their interests. Think about passions. What are people passionate about? Gaming, fitness, pets, travel, or hobbies? What do people enjoy doing in their free time? Crafting, reading, gardening, and lifestyle? What kind of lifestyle do they have? Eco-conscious, minimalist, adventurous? Once you know your niche, research popular products. T-shirts, hoodies, and mugs are always popular choices. Don't be afraid to get creative and explore other options like phone cases, tote bags, or wall art. Remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it is to target your audience and stand out from the competition. Alright, now let's dive into choosing the right marketplace for your products. Where you sell your products is just as important as what you sell. Here's a quick breakdown of popular print-on-demand platforms. Etsy is perfect for handmade and vintage-inspired goods. It has low startup costs and a large engaged audience. Shopify lets you build your own online store for full control over branding and customer experience. It does require more technical setup though. Amazon Merch allows you to tap into Amazon's massive customer base. It's easy to use, but keep in mind it has limited design customization options. So, consider your target audience, budget, and technical skills when choosing a platform. You can even start with one and expand to others later. Section 6. Design domination, creating eye-catching products. Your designs are the heart of your print-on-demand business. They need to be eye-catching, on-trend, and relevant to your target audience. If you're a design pro, unleash your creativity. If not, consider hiring a freelance designer. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to find skilled designers at different price points. Remember these design tips. Keep it simple. Clean and simple designs often work best. Focus on typography. Choose fonts that are easy to read and visually appealing. Use high-quality images. Blurry images scream unprofessional. Stay on trend. Research popular design trends within your niche. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and designs to see what resonates with your audience. Section 7. Marketing Mastery, spreading the word about your brand. You've got amazing products. Now you need to get the word out. Here are some marketing strategies to boost your print-on-demand business social media. Build a strong presence on platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Share eye-catching photos and videos of your products. Paid advertising. Run targeted ads on social media and search engines to reach a wider audience. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their followers. Email marketing. Collect email addresses and send newsletters showcasing new products and promotions. Remember, consistency is key in marketing. Engage with your audience, track your results, and adjust your strategies as needed. Section 8. From Zero to Sales Hero. Launching your print-on-demand business. You've learned the steps, now it's time to take action. Here's how to launch your print-on-demand business. 1. Set up your shop. Choose a platform and create a professional-looking storefront. 2. List your first products. Start with a small collection of your best designs. 3. Promote. Use social media, ads, and other marketing strategies to drive traffic to your shop. 4. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly and resolve any issues efficiently. 5. Analyze and adjust. Track your sales and make adjustments to your products, pricing, and marketing as needed. Remember, starting a business takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent, keep learning, and you'll be well on your way to success. Section 9. Your print-on-demand journey starts now. The world of print-on-demand is full of opportunity. You have the power to build a successful business around your passions, all while working from anywhere in the world. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Take action today. Choose your niche, create your designs, and launch your print-on-demand empire. The world is waiting to see what you create. Remember, I'm here to cheer you on every step of the way. Now go out there and crush it.